Washing your engine with water might seem scary, but when done correctly, it's completely safe and helps extend your vehicle's life. There are safe and effective methods to wash your engine with water while protecting it from harm. Never wash a hot engine. Allow it to cool completely to avoid cracking metal parts or causing sudden temperature shock. Prevent electrical shorts by disconnecting the negative terminal. For deeper cleaning, remove the battery entirely to access hidden dirt. Before adding water, using a vacuum is a safe way to remove loose dirt and debris from the engine bay without pushing it deeper into sensitive parts. A small nozzle attachment helps reach tight spots around wires and connectors. This dry cleaning method keeps the engine tidy and prepares it for deeper cleaning. Cover components like the alternator, battery, exposed wiring, fuse box, and air intake with plastic bags to keep moisture out. Water can cause corrosion or electrical shorts in these parts. Using an engine-safe degreaser is a great way to safely wash your engine with water because it breaks down tough oil and grime before rinsing. This reduces the amount of scrubbing and water needed, lowering the risk of moisture reaching sensitive components. It also improves visibility of leaks and overall engine appearance. By working efficiently, it shortens cleaning time and keeps the engine bay safer during the wash. Next, use a toothbrush to scrub carefully around wires, hoses, and tight spots, ensuring dirt is loosened without damaging components. Then, rinsing with low-pressure water then helps prevent water from being forced into electrical connectors or delicate components. This gentle approach cleans effectively without risking accidental damage. It also protects the condition of hoses, seals, and wiring during the wash. By minimizing stress on engine parts, you maintain long-term reliability. Using compressed air helps safely dry your engine after washing, by removing moisture from tight spaces where towels can't reach. After drying tight areas with compressed air, use microfiber cloths to wipe away any remaining moisture. They absorb water gently without scratching surfaces, helping protect delicate components. You can also use specialized engine cleaners and protective sprays to safely wash your engine with water. These products help remove stubborn dirt and grime more effectively than water alone. Protective sprays create a barrier that repels moisture and prevents corrosion. They also keep hoses, plastic, and metal components in better condition over time. With these safe methods, you can confidently clean your engine at home without causing damage.